Hi everyone, this is Mackoy Soliman of Mackoy Vlogs. Time flies so fast and we already survived the first half of the year 2022. I trust you guys are safe and please keep yourself dry during this rainy season. Today, we're going to unbox the second edition of the Insta360 One, which is the Insta360 One X2. By the way, this video is sponsored by Insta360. I've been planning to actually buy this Insta360 One X2 since it was launched before the end of the year 2020. Well, I'm aware it has been almost 2 years now, and Insta360 will be launching their newest 360 camera real soon, but I didn't lose my interest to really have this Insta360 One X2 simply because I'm seeing a lot of outstanding contents from different content creators online, and that made me more excited to really have one of this Insta360 One X2. Anyway, before I move on to the unboxing, if it's the first time you visited me here on my YouTube channel, I would appreciate if you would thumbs up this video and click the subscribe button so you will be notified every time I upload a new video here on my YouTube channel. I'm excited to see my new baby, so let's go ahead and do the unboxing. So this is the package we received from Insta360. You can see their logo here. And this was actually delivered to us by FedEx. Thank you so much, FedEx, for taking good care of my new device. So yeah, before we start, I have here my pair of scissors and also my alcohol for sanitation. I know FedEx already sanitized all the packages before they deliver it to us, but just for your protection, sanitize it. Wala namang mawawala. Oh, sorry. Ooh. I open it incorrectly. Oh. Seen it. I've seen it. The package Insta360 sent to us is the Insta360 One X2 plus dive case plus other accessories. So let's check them one by one. So the first item, I think we should start from here na lang. This one is the multi-function bullet time handle. Yeah. So let's open it. Okay. Ooh. So good, this is just a guide. This bullet time handle actually works as a tripod, and this is where you can put the camera, so you can and then just rotate it like this. So yeah, it has rubber on at the bottom, so it will be stable. First item. Next would be, ta-da! Oops! I think this is the monopod. Yeah. Selfie stick, the invisible stick of Insta360. Well, this is actually what I've been eyeing for as well. I'm glad that it's already included. Yan. Oh, okay. Haba siya. Very nice. We just need to twist it, I believe, to lock it. So how long the selfie stick is? It's 120 centimeters. Okay, let's push it again. That's for our second item, the selfie stick. Let's put it here. I'm gonna put all the boxes here. And the next one would be, what's this? I think it's just a plastic. Our third item would be the lens cap. Well, basically, we will be using this to protect our 360 camera. Let's open it. Ah, it's so cute. So, tanggalin na natin sa kanyang lagayan. It's made of rubber. We will attach this to the unit after we open that box. Thank you, baby. But yeah, let's focus on the small boxes first. Next item, or the fourth item on this package, is the lens guard. Oh, lens guards. See? Lens guards. Lens guard, and then lens cap. So lens guards, you will put this, or you will attach this to the camera, and then If you are not using the camera, you'll put this lens case so you can protect the lens of the camera. Okay, let's put this here. Let's open it. Lens guard, so dalawa to. Ah, okay. Lens guards. You have to back and forth. Okay, let's put it here. Baka malaglag or baka mawala po natin, mga kaibigan. Yeah, I'm not sure what is this, but yeah, let's keep it first for future use. And then meron pa ito. So our fifth item is the floating hand grip. Uy. This is very useful for us since we dive a lot. For us not to lose the Insta360 camera, this is highly recommended. Woohoo! We have, of course, manual. We have 2 screws here, and this is the hand grip or floating hand grip. This is the last small box inside this package, and this is the mic adapter. Wow! Mic adapter! Vertical version, the mic adapter. I'm not sure if there's a mic inside of it, but if there's none, nothing to worry, we will buy one for us. So we would have a better audio. Let's just open it, and I think for this one, I'm not gonna throw the box away because I think we badly need it here. Ah, okay. So ina-attach siya. Saan? We'll figure that out later. Actually, I haven't seen that for anyone who have done their unboxing in YouTube. So yeah, let's check that out later. So we're done with the small boxes from this package. Let's go ahead and move on to the big ones. Alright, our 7th is the dive case. But it looks bigger. The box is actually a lot bigger than the main unit. But yeah, let's open it. Wala pa pala. So Insta360 One X2 dive case. Eee! Put it on the box. This is how it looks like. Okay. Yeah, so let's open it. I'm not gonna attach it first. Of course, we're not gonna dive yet. Wow! It's like an astronaut. Yeah, diba? It's good. Has the screws. Yeah, we can put it here. In the meantime, let's set this aside since we're not gonna use it yet. And for the main event, oh, okay. But before you open this box, the Insta360 ONE X2, I noticed that there is a Insta360 din. A memory card included, and the brand of the memory card is also Insta360. So you know that this memory card really works well with this 360 camera. That's good. Actually, I never encountered any cameras where they provide their own brand of memory card or SD card like this. It's just Insta360, I believe, so far. You know, ang galing. Insta360 talaga. Aww. And last but not the least, my newest baby, the Insta360 One X2. Let's unbox it. Okay. Let's open it carefully. Meron akong napanood, or I've watched an unboxing video of Insta360 One X2, and then they open it like this, and then boom. We're not gonna let that happen. So let's open it carefully, gently, gracefully. Anything that is fully, wow! Grabe. I'm gonna touch it here. so we can keep it in the box. Ah! Shh! Ingay ng tricycle. Alright, but before we remove the main unit on the box, there's another box in here. So there's a box inside this box from the big box. Okay. Let's first open this. Yun. See? There's hindi siya box. It's not a box, so I think it's the cords wherein you can charge the main unit. So the charger is, or the cord is Type-C. Good thing it's Type-C. Welcome to the 2020 era. Yeah, I have a lot of adapters here, so that's not an issue. Anyway, you can charge it directly from your laptop, I believe, which is good. Okay, let's keep it here. Stickers, put it here. You also have Insta360 warranty card. ONE X2 waterproofing. We need all these manuals. We'll read them after. We'll check how we can master all the features of this 360 camera. Insta360 ONE X2. This is the main unit and the camera. So this is where you attach your monopod. These are the two wide lens, back and forth. So that creates the illusion of the 360 view. And I think it's heavy, or it's just me. Oh. I think the battery is the one making it heavy. Oh, there's a memory card slot inside. We can go ahead and put the memory card inside of it. Ta-da! Success! Then let's put back the battery. It pops out! Okay, we just need to press it like that. Let's turn it on. Oh, wow! Can you see it? Alright. So our first look with this Insta360 camera, or Insta360 ONE X2. Right at the screen, you can actually control whatever you wanted to see. And I don't see my hand. It's invisible. So excited. Please install the Insta360 app. I think we already have that. Let's turn it off first. Shutting down. Okay. Let's put it back. And let's get our phone. Where is my phone? One moment. So I already installed the app, or the Insta360 app. So basically we will just need to connect our Insta360 camera from our phone. And trying to connect with the camera. It says here the first connection must be confirmed on the camera screen. So there's a pop-up message on the screen of your camera wherein you basically just need to click on the check one. It says loading, join, connecting to Wi-Fi. It says here install new firmware. Do not interrupt firmware upload as it may cause camera malfunction. And it says updating. So we cannot move anything yet as per the instructions. Of course, we do not want our camera to malfunction. So let's keep it here. Not doing anything. Okay, update successful. Ta-da-da! Click done. That's it. So, camera. Hey, yeah. I'm gonna click the record. Okay. Alright, I think we are already recording. I can see myself! Right at this moment, I really can't see the stick or the selfie stick. It's really hidden. Let's extend it a bit. I'm gonna hide the things that you shouldn't be seeing. Oh, like that! No, 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 no. Okay. And can we zoom it from here? Oh, we can! Okay. So that's me. It's right there. And saying hi to the camera. The stick is really invisible. That's why it's called invisible stick. That's really nice. It's amazing. So I think that's enough. Let's remove the monopod and let's turn it off. And that's about it, guys. Thank you so much for watching this video till the end. I hope to see you guys on my next video, as I'm going to make another video covering this Insta360 One X2 with all its features. Once again, please like this video and click the subscribe button just so you won't miss any of my newest uploads. This is Mackoy Soliman saying, let your smile be your umbrella during this rainy season. Thank you again for watching and see you guys soon on my next vlog. Bye!